Alright, welcome back everybody. I'm Nathan Masters with Brick System Brothers. This is video 4 in a series for building the Constellation in LEGO Digital Designer. And I've just completed swapping out our cannon mounts. It used to be a 1x4 fence piece, and I've now gone in and for every fence there are two 1x1 headlight bricks. So I just had to do this for Digital Designer because it's not letting me make that slightly stressing connection between the 1x1 plate and that fence piece. So these are all swapped out, ready to go. When we want to look at a final piece count, we'll just go ahead and subtract 12 pieces. Moving on, this video will cover kind of moving into the upper deck area and some of the bow up front with that forward mast and that kind of thing. So yep, we'll get the video sped up here, move it along, and let's go. Okay, so let's stop there for video 4. Starting to get into the base supports for the triple mast, and not sure what's going on up here. I think we're going to get to that in a little bit. But yeah, really starting to come together now. Got more or less the general shape, and this red deck just stunningly contrast against the black, so that looks really nice. Next video we'll get into some more details here, probably 1 or 2 more, possibly 3 depending on how tedious the actual masts and sails get themselves. But stay tuned, and yeah, that's coming up next. See you guys.